guys, Joey here and welcome back to the garden. Alright, so here at the farm, I do have quite a big garden here. This is a fenced in garden. I've always dreamt of having a picket fence garden and I started painting it, so I'm so excited about that. I've got my trusty shears and today we are going to trim up all of the dead blooms off of the roses because it's not putting out any more flowers, and it should be. So without further ado, let's garden. All right guys, so here is my rose bush. I am really thinking that it's gonna need some love because you can see all of the old dead blooms have just basically died off. You know, it's funny because I was talking with someone who told me that you can actually take these blooms and wrap them up, I guess, in wet paper towel and then put them in a bag and they'll actually root. So I don't know about that. Leave a comment in the comment section if that is true or not, or if you've ever done that. Please let me know because I honestly have no idea. So let's get to cutting. All right guys, here we go. So I'm just gonna be taking off all of these blooms here. Let me move the camera up a little. That's a better angle, right? I think so. Peace. Ooh, I come in garden. No, just kidding. I know, I'm a nerd. All right, so then I cut off these blooms. So as you can see, I'm just kind of cutting them just at the bottom of the stem. I'm not actually gonna cut the plant itself. I'm gonna grab a bucket to put them in. There we go. So I do have a compost pile and it's getting big. Because every year what I do is I'm gonna weed this out just a little bit. But every year what I do is I cut all the branches off the bananas because they die. Because we always end up getting that 1 or 2 weeks of cold snap where the leaves themselves die, but the plants are okay. You know, it's just I have to cut off all the old dead leaves and put them in the compost. So the compost is enormous, which is great. It's been 2 years now, so I think we're starting to get some fruition. All right, so here we are, just cutting off all of these old blooms. There you go. It's really not that hard. You know, you just go around the plant and cut them all off. There's Minnie Mouse there. She's helping out, right, Minnie Mouse? Hey, Min Min. She's cute. All right, guys. So I'll just show you here. So we're just taking these and go clip, 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 just like that. And they had a lot of blooms. I think I had about 50 blooms. These old leaves here, I just have some dead leaves. So these will all come off. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Whoa, we're stuck. Okay, we're stuck in the plant. All right, so I do have a new bloom right there, so that is super exciting. So as I cut these off, what's gonna happen is we're gonna be having a lot more nutrients headed over to, even these ones here need to go. Where are we here? There we are. See that one? That one needs to go too. So yeah, all the nutrients will come back into the plant and into new growth. Here we go, look at this one. See, this one it's so big. It's trying to put nutrients into it, but the flower's been long gone, so you don't need that. Boom. 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 Hey guys, all right, so I'm just gonna quickly go through here and finish that up. Collect all these dead blooms here that I have taken off and put them into my bucket. Here we go. They will make some great compost. I love that. It's going to take some time, but all right, so I have one bloom coming as well, which is good. After this though, I am going to fertilize it. The odd leaf too. I've just got some odd leaves that just have some weird colors to them, and I'm going to take those off because there's no need for it. But look at the size of this one, guys. That is a huge dead bloom that is getting so much nutrients from the plant. So I think there's only 2 more here that I can see. If I missed any, let me know, guys. But that is so exciting. I think everything else is good to go. One more once over, and then I'm going to grab some fertilizer, and I will show you guys what I use for that. But it looks, oh, there's always one guy hiding somewhere. So make sure you do a double, triple, quadruple check. Check once, twice, or if you're a Golden Girls fan, thrice. If you get that, leave a comment in the comment section. Ta-da! All done. Alright guys, 1 second. I'll be right back with some fertilizationer. Alright, so... Alright guys, rose food. Handy dandy from the Home Depot. Awesome. So, as you can read here, it does say feeds instantly as soon as you water it, which absolutely 100% definitely works. And it does say to do this once every 7 to 14 days. So this is 18-24-16, as you can see right down there. And believe it or not, it does come with this handy dandy schmandy little scooper pooper, and I'm gonna give it 2. You go boom, and wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, boom. And just while I'm out here anyways, I have my second rose bush, and I'm gonna give it some food as well. Actually, I think that's enough. There you go. And now it's time to water. All done. Yay. Awesome guys, so that is a happy rose bush. It's got food, it's got water, it's got trimmed. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so happy about that. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like this video. Peacocks are always trying to steal the show. Anyways guys, please subscribe, tell your friends about this channel. We really want to grow it, and let me know down in the comment section how you do your roses. And again, if you've ever made those buds grow, or if you know how to propagate a cutting from a rose possibly, let me know. Anyways guys, absolutely love you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon.